Hello, today I'm going to evolve Pizza Cat. Okay, let's just go. Yeah, right when I evolved him, I was like, where is his mini wave? But then I remembered it's a talent. I literally checked, thinking. So I decided to play a black level with it. Said I couldn't beat it. It was too hard for me. So this. Excuse me. Okay. Kept spamming Sambas for some reason. Or Boogie Cat. And then I spawned Guy. I spawned Pizza Cat. So, as you can see, this gorilla tried to attack, but then Pizza just one-shotted the gorilla. Okay, sorry for spoiling. There's the reason I spawned Back Free Cat. She was an instant. It was like a suicidal. Oof. 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 Anyways, I kept going. As you can see, she died. For some random reason, I spawned Mighty Agascaro, which wouldn't do a single thing. I was good that Pizza Cat wouldn't do the job, but he did. Yay! 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 Don't ask why I'm using so much elemental pixies. Most of the good Ubers that I have are literally elemental pixies. No, sorry, I'm just using them. Okay, after finishing off this swarm, as you can see, could spawn another Valkyrie, which I noticed, and then I did. Spawn Suicidal Special. Yay! 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 And then I'm about to beat the stage. As you can see. Yeah. Okay, careful. Normal stage. Anyways, as you can see, it's 3 hours until decoding. Anyways, I need your help on what Uber should I evolve. Should I evolve that? Wait, no, I can't evolve this. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Or this?
Yeah, should I evolve Bora?
Or this?
Or Marimizu?
Or this?
Or Orphan?
And finally, something I'm trying to get is this. To be honest, the thing I'm worried about is not really the level. It's kind of the XP. Wait a second. Didn't I have 4 blue cat fruit? Let me check. Oh, the Pizza Cat probably needed 2 blue cat fruit. But anyways, yeah. Choose one of those, and whatever has the most chosen, will be the one I'm gonna evolve next. Also, I'm trying to get Swimmer Cat, but my luck is absolutely terrible. Hopefully, I can get him like next 11 roll I do. Hungary again. Uber Eats. So yeah, you can choose. I was thinking about doing this. The problem is that, also, this needs 5. And this needs 2 elder capture, which I can't even get. Oh yeah. Is she good? Because I have her and I don't really know what to do with her. You choose. Papaluga. Also, Mighty Agascaro. What does... Okay, so yeah, you choose.